This is the damage that's done in the garage. As you can see, part of the ceiling and the wall. This is in the living room next to the front door. This is in the family room. This is where the drywall weakened and the vent was about to come out in my kitchenette area. The screws just fell out and it's flopped like that. This is the dining room. As you can see, part of the wall and all this part of the ceiling. This is in our master bedroom. As you can see, the water stains and the water damage all across the ceiling, even where the vent is. Water's leaking from there. Water was even leaking from our smoke detector, which we had to remove. And as you can see, the damage that was done with the peeling of the paint and water stains pretty much everywhere. This gives you an idea. When you come up the stairs to the rooms, there are water stains all through here. You can see the peeling of the paint. And there's water stains that goes beyond there to the wall.